Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I created this look. So this one is like a basic simple olive soft glam kind of makeup tutorial. Wedding season is coming. If you're attending any wedding and if you want to look glamorous yet simple, then you can definitely try these kind of looks. Your main concentration would be on eyes. You can work around with your eyes, you can work around with your eyeshadow colors, then you can just go with a simple nude lip color, and that would be out of the box. So yeah, if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to my channel as well. I'm going to start with my bare skin. I have already washed my face and toned, and I'm just moisturizing it. Now moisturizer is very important here. I use the Neutrogena moisture boost, I believe. So all the links and the names of the products will be given in the description box below, so you can definitely check it out. For primer, I use the Wet n Wild's matte base primer. Since I have oily skin, I use the matte variant. If you have normal skin, you can use any primer, and if you have dry skin, use a dewy hydrating primer. Next, for color correction, I'm using the reddish orange color corrector from LA Girl, which is like my current favorite. I have been loving this since 2 months, I should say. So this one is actually used to counterbalance all my hyperpigmentations and dark spots. Then I'm setting the orange corrector with some white translucent powder. Use orange corrector only if you have dark spots or hyperpigmentations. It's not a necessary step. So next, for foundation, today I'm using this L'Oreal True Match foundation in shade 8.R Nut Brown. Now this one is a medium to buildable coverage, and I kept my base a bit simple and with sheer coverage today. I dotted the foundation all over my face and blended it with a buffing brush. Next, I set my foundation with the PAC setting spray. Then I'm going on with concealer. For concealer today, I'm using my Fawn concealer. Now this one is my third tube, and yeah, I love this shade and concealer. Basically, yeah, I love this brand's concealer, So I'm just marking the usual areas, drawing some weird drawings on my face, and then I'm just blending it with a brush first, then I'll be blending it with a sponge. So next, I'm setting all my concealer with this Star Loose powder. So this powder is a translucent powder, and there are so many shade ranges. You can definitely check them out. They are affordable as well. Then I use a Lakme eyebrow pencil to fill in my eyebrows, and then I'm using a concealer from Maybelline. That's the Age Rewind one, and I'm setting and prepping my eyelids for my eyeshadow. For eyeshadow today, I used the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I took the last lighter shade, which I believe is called Sandalwood, and then I took the next darkest shade and I just intensified my socket or the transition area. Then I went ahead and applied a bit of black on the outer V part and also blended it towards the inner lid area, just on the transition or the socket area. Likewise, for the lid, I'll be using a color that matches my outfit. Now in this palette, I honestly like the Dubai, which is like this olive green color, which I'll be using in a while. This one, so this one is a beautiful olive green color, and yeah, I'm just placing this onto the lid part and blending it with the matte black shade. Then I'm moving ahead and applying some kajal on my lower and upper waterline, and for kajal I use the Plum Kajal. Then for eyeliner, I use the Nykaa's Black Magic eyeliner. So this one has a bit of shine to it. It dries to a shimmer finish, and I just lined a very thin line on the upper lash line. Then I took the same Dubai shade and worked this onto the inner 1/3 of my lower lash line. So for contour or bronzing, I used my Makeup Revolution bronzer kit, and I took the last darkest shade and I just simply bronzed my skin. And then for blush, I used the Swiss Beauty highlighter palette. So I took another bronzy highlighter shade from the same palette and I highlighted my face. Then for the lips, for lining my lips, I'm using the Faces Chocolate Cafe Latte lip liner. It's like a brown lip liner. I used the Nykaa's Bombay liquid lipstick and applied it on the center of my lips and blended it with my fingers. For mascara, I used the MAC. Why am I blabbering today? It's from MAC, and it's the 3 dimension mascara, and it's my second mascara actually from MAC. Next, finally, I'm setting my face with some setting spray, and I'm highlighting my brow bone and inner corner of my face with the same, inner corner of my eyes with the same highlighter that I used to highlight my face. And with that, the look is complete. I haven't applied any falsies. If you want, you can go ahead and apply some falsies, some natural looking or glamorous looking, depending upon your outfit. You can work around. So I hope you all like the look. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. And if I sound a bit sick, I am sick, that's it. But I hope I'll be all right tomorrow. So I will see you all in my next one, guys. Bye.